Welcome to Canada's Smart Mind. Today, you will master one of the most powerful concepts in English grammar, phrases as building blocks. Phrases help you build clear, natural, and confident sentences. They are the foundation of real communication in English. Why should you learn phrases? Because they improve your fluency and confidence. They help you build natural-sounding sentences effortlessly. They make it easier to understand native speakers and express your ideas clearly and precisely. There are four main types of phrases in English: noun phrases, verb phrases, adjective phrases, and adverb phrases. A noun phrase is built around a noun. A verb phrase is built around a verb. An adjective phrase describes a noun. An adverb phrase modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Let's begin with noun phrases. A noun phrase is a group of words that functions as a noun in a sentence. It includes a main noun and all the words that describe it. For example, the tall building, a very happy child, my best friend. These combinations help you create more descriptive and meaningful sentences. Understanding noun phrases allows you to express ideas with more detail and clarity. Now consider this example: the tall woman in the red coat. This entire group of words forms a noun phrase. Building noun phrases step by step is simple. Start with a determiner, add an adjective, include a noun, and then expand with a prepositional phrase if needed. Now, let's move to verb phrases. Verb phrases express action or a state of being. They include a main verb and sometimes one or more helping verbs. For example, she has been studying English. In this sentence, has and been are helping verbs and studying is the main verb. Verb phrases show what the subject does, feels, or experiences. They are the engine that drives your sentences forward. To build a strong verb phrase, combine the subject, auxiliary verbs, modal verbs, and the main verb to create a complete thought. To remember verb phrases effectively, practice them every day. Listen to English songs, use them in conversations, write simple sentences, and watch English videos while identifying the verb phrases you hear. Now, let's explore adjective phrases. Adjective phrases describe nouns and pronouns. They add detail, emotion, and color to your sentences, making your communication more vivid and engaging. For example, extremely exciting. This phrase gives more information and makes your sentence more expressive. Adjective phrases can appear before or after the noun, and they help you communicate ideas more clearly and creatively. Next, let's look at adverb phrases. Adverb phrases modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They answer questions such as how, when, where, and to what extent. For example, very fluently. This phrase tells us how someone speaks. Adverb phrases bring precision and richness to your language, helping you communicate more effectively in real-life situations. Now, let's compare the four types of phrases. Noun phrases act as subjects or objects. Verb phrases express action or state. Adjective phrases describe nouns. Adverb phrases modify actions and descriptions. Prepositional phrases are also essential building blocks. They begin with a preposition and end with a noun or pronoun, helping to show relationships between ideas. To truly master phrases, you need consistent daily practice. Follow a simple routine. Review in the morning, read and identify phrases, practice speaking, write sentences, and test yourself at the end of the day. Here are some memory tips to help you succeed. Use spaced repetition, create visual associations, apply phrases in real-life situations, and practice consistently every day. Turn your daily environment into a learning space. Label objects with phrases. Describe your day using different phrase types. Translate phrases from your native language and create flashcards to reinforce your memory. Be aware of common mistakes. Incorrect phrase structure can make your sentences unclear. Always pay attention to how phrases fit within your sentences. Remember, phrases are the building blocks of sentences. They work together to create meaning, and understanding their position helps you communicate clearly and effectively. Now, let's build a sentence together. The happy children are playing in the park. Combined, this becomes, the happy children are playing in the park. English phrases can vary across different regions of the world. Understanding these variations helps you communicate effectively with a global audience. Use available learning resources to improve your skills. Practice apps, online exercises, English media, and community interaction all support your learning journey. Follow a weekly learning plan. Focus on one phrase type each day and review everything at the end of the week to reinforce your knowledge. Track your progress regularly. Set goals, practice daily, test yourself, review your mistakes, and celebrate your progress. The key takeaway is simple. Phrases are the essential building blocks of every sentence you create. Mastering them improves your fluency, clarity, and confidence in English. When you master phrases, you unlock powerful communication skills. You express your ideas clearly, understand others more easily, and communicate with confidence in any situation. You can do it. Start with just a few minutes of practice each day. Use phrases in real conversations and celebrate your progress along the way. Thank you for learning with Canada's Smart Mind. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and keep building your English step by step. See you in the next lesson.